Welcome to another segment for AI in Action with TEKenable. Here we are in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, and I will be demonstrating how Copilot can assist with generating self-service analysis reports. Here I am in the customer list, and you can see in the top left-hand side, I have my Copilot icon, and this can be used in almost any list page. I can click this and begin to enter in my request in natural language. You do not need to be perfect here. I will first ask a simple question such as, who are my top customers? As you can see, it has provided a list sorted by the sales descending. You will also notice it has determined it would be helpful for me to see the country for each customer, which I didn't ask for. The great thing about this is that this feature may either provide the exact response you require or can be used as a foundation to then iterate and adapt, with most the heavy lifting being done for you. I can then either ask an additional question such as group by country and it will iterate for me. Else I can simply use the tools available on page to add remove columns, change groupings, sort, filter and more. There are also some prompt guides available here where you can see some of the functions you may want to use to get you started. If you see the top of this page, you will notice a tab has been created. This will now be stored for me. The next time I come to this page and use this analysis mode, I can also rename and even share this to others. This natural language function is supported for more than 20 languages and growing. Another feature that we are excited about is the Copilot chat feature, as you can see in the top right-hand corner. And when I click this, you'll see a chat window appear. At the top, you can see I can use it to find, explain, and guide or ask it questions. As shown a moment ago, I can also use it to generate on-the-fly reports, such as to show low stock items by category, and it will go away and begin creating a report with a very simple query. It will securely consult online resource for questions regarding the application itself, for example, for how do I questions and the data within Business Central for more targeted business queries. For example, show me the latest invoice. We have found this is very useful for senior team members who are not using the application day to day but need information and want to self-serve. Now the data has appeared, I can begin my analysis or perhaps tweak the filters, in this case to extend what it determines to be low stock, which is currently assumed as 10. I can easily change it to 20. Again, the heavy lifting has been done for me, saving my team and time and effort. I can also export to Excel should I require to perform further formatting and processing. And I will be demonstrating how Copilot can assist with bank reconciliation. On the left-hand side, I have my bank statement entries that I'll import from a CSV file. And on the right-hand side, I have payments and cash receipts that have been posted on the system prior, ready for reconciliation. You can see here I have a couple of entries that are cash receipts, some refunds, and at the bottom, some supplier payments outbound. Now, normally we would start one by one, selecting entries on either side of the screen and matching each manually. Now, this could be a fairly cumbersome process where you might have a high number of transactions to reconcile. If I try to match automatically using standard functionality, it will make an attempt to actually match using its own algorithms and logic. But as you can see here, a number of lump payments that have come into the bank match multiple entries that are posted in our ledger. This is where that Copilot comes in the top right hand corner. If I click reconcile, very quickly Business Central will leverage Copilot and perform a set of matches it thinks applies. And as you can see, we have a 100% match right here, where we can see that we have a number of transactions that are being matched with and without Copilot. I can also verify those one-to-many applications and override manually should I require, and when I press OK, you'll now see that all my transactions have been matched with little to no effort from the user. This is a fantastic example of how we could save our teams time leveraging best-in-class technology and allow AI to do the heavy lifting so we could focus on the priority and the value-adding activity. Thank you very much for your time and see you in the following segments. If you'd like to know more, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team. I would also like to note that I, myself, am an AI-generated narrator